Hey there, I'm Jonaé Woods, Principal Designer here at Woodson Interiors, and today we're taking you inside the Make Your Muse project and sharing the decisions we made that really help support how our client lives in this space. And spoiler, she likes to craft. Let's get into it. Okay, so let me tell you about the challenges in this space. First of all, this is an old home, so there's a lot of weird angles, nooks, crannies. Secondly, as I mentioned, my client, she loves to craft, and so we needed storage. And then third, every now and again, she likes to have guests that come to visit, and we wanted to make sure there was a spot for them too. So the first challenge we wanted to tackle was storage. And so because this space has a really small blueprint, we knew that we couldn't really go wide, so we decided to go up by adding this custom unit here that's able to display all the cuteness that she needs whenever she's crafting. The next solution was adding one of two working desks in this space. So for this one, we decided to have it wrap around the space, really frame this corner. We also added a chair that's gonna roll around, give her some movement in the space so that way she can work on her laptop. But if she wants to write a little note, do some small crafts here, she has that option and that flexibility. So as I mentioned, this is an older home, lots of weird spaces. One of them being this attic closet. And so we were able to organize this space, add a really seamless door. We wanted to almost disappear in the space, and it's just a push to open, and we have more things stored behind there. Another solution that we added to this space was utilizing this nook. We added a roller rack that pulls out, and it allows us to store all of her larger craft supplies. Now this is my favorite element in the design. We created this custom worktop that is built just for our client. We actually had it made just at her height. It gives her an opportunity to sit here and work, but also y'all, it moves. So she's able to move it around the space, move it out of this area to be able to access the nook, move it into the middle of the room if need be. And let me show you the other side. So a great addition to this work desk is that it also has shelving that allows us to put out more of her supplies on display that she can access at any moment when she's working up here. And the final detail that we added to this space is this beautiful sofa. But as I mentioned, this space needs to have an opportunity for guests to be here. So let me show you what this does. So there you have it. That's a look at the Maker's Muse project. And now not only is this space beautiful, but it functions just the way that our client needs. And if you're curious about the selections for this space, we've linked our project details, paint colors, products, and all of our local partners in the description below. Thanks for being here. Until the next one, bye.